Sunburn can be painful and damaging to your skin, but is easily preventable with a few simple precautions. Prevention is vital to avoid sunburn. To protect your skin, always use a broad spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of at least 30, even on a cloudy day. Reapply every 2 hours or more, or as often as you like if you're swimming or sweating. Wear protective clothing such as a wide-brimmed hat, long sleeves and sunglasses. Seek shade wherever possible, especially during the peak sun intensity of hours between 10 in the morning and 4 in the afternoon. Additionally, avoid tanning beds, which can cause significant skin damage. If you do get sunburned, taking immediate action can alleviate discomfort and promote healing. Start by cooling the skin with a cold shower or bath, or applying cold compresses. Drink plenty of fluids to stay hydrated, as sunburn can cause dehydration. Apply aloe vera or a moisturizing lotion to soothe the skin and help prevent peeling. Over-the-counter pain relievers such as ibuprofen or paracetamol can reduce pain and inflammation. Avoid further sun exposure until your skin has fully healed.